Them say me start too far behind. Small yard, big dream mind. And me don't hope second-hand plan. Still me believe in who me am. Me fall down more than once or twice. Learn the cost, paid the price. Scrape my knee on concrete floor. But every fall me wanted more. Me bend low, but me not stay. Gravity can't hold me that way. Me born to rise, from dust to sky, no matter how the odds defy. Me born to rise, through the doubt, through the lies, through the tears behind my eyes. Every setback just disguise. Me born to rise. Me see doors close in my face. Smile tight, kept my pace. Some turn back when it gets steep, but my plant my feet deep. No silver ladder, no quick fame, just steady grind in my name. From bottom step to better view, me prove what grit can do. Pressure squeeze, but me expand my destiny in my own hands. I'm born to rise, through fire and rain, turn every loss into gain. I'm born to rise, from the valley low to high tide. Me carry strength inside even when the world criticizes. I'm born to rise. Hey, hey. Me now measure life by fall. Me measure how me stand tall. Sky shine brighter than gold chain. Proof me survive the pain. Every sunrise tell me true. There's more ahead for you. So me lift my chin to the skies, 'cause me born to rise. Born to rise, slow but sure, humble start, heart pure. Born to rise, through every test and every surprise. Miss a victory in my eyes, no matter what tomorrow tries. Born to rise, from ground level to great. Greatness.